Sometimes I feel that this little tank holds a piece of jungle within the home. The shifting patterns of light and shadow inside it are like sunlight filtering through treetops, falling softly to the water below. I never trim these aquatic plants deliberately. They grow wherever they wish, quietly reaching toward the light, toward the water, toward the direction that feels right to them. The fish swim freely, sometimes darting past in a flash, sometimes pausing in a still moment, as if listening to something only they can hear. Here, you'll notice no one is directing anything. There are no borders, no rules. Everything simply grows in its own way, yet somehow remains harmonious and at ease. And it is this freedom without management that gently loosens the heart, as if staying here for just a few seconds lets all scattered thoughts sink to the bottom, and the mind quietly finds its own order and calm. Above this underwater forest, the floating plants form a soft canopy. They shade the light, yet let it through, giving this miniature world a wilder and more tranquil presence. This small tropical jungle is not a carefully designed landscape. It feels more like a resting place for the soul, a quiet refuge. And as we stand before it, it almost feels as though we, too, have become one of the fish, unhurried, at peace